Okay, we've got 6 Kinder Joy eggs with Harry Potter pop-ups, so it's another opening. Please subscribe me, guys, because I want to be freaking rich, and I hope this video will have huge amount of views. Let's start. I'm not sure if you are a fan of Funko Pops, but I quite like them, to be honest. And that's going to be the first one. It's a hard job, honestly. Okay, it's Snipe for sure. Look at him. I hated this guy in the first, second, and third, and fourth, and fifth book, Harry Potter books. Okay. Guys, it's not so easy, to be honest. It's hard labor. Okay, it's not a Funko Pop, it's some waste of money, honestly. What a bullshit. So we've got one Funko Pop and one and what's that? It's not my lucky day for sure. It's a metric here. We are so not lucky today. Oh. Look at this. I have no idea what it is, and I don't want to know. Okay, it's Funko Pop. Oh, and it's Dumbledore. One Dumbledore to my collection. Look at him. Okay, 3 more. We are in the halfway. Or no? No, it was opened before. Oh. It's Harry! It's Harry Potter! And is it all? Ah, no, the last one. No, it's all. Okay. We've got 3 Funko Pops. So subscribe me and wait for more openings and more videos on my channel.